Hey everybody, it's Luke of our Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got a product from Newair. This is an 8,000 BTU compact portable air conditioner that you can check out on Newair's site, and I'll have a link in the description below. It's an affiliate link. It will support my channel, and I'll also have a coupon code to help you with the cost as well. We're going to dig into this, show you an unboxing, kind of a quick setup, and then definitely a test of this 8,000 BTU portable air conditioner, and I'll be right back. Okay, so once you get everything out of the box, this is what you're going to get, and it's a fairly easy setup that I'll show you. You get the main unit itself. You do get the exhaust window adapter here, and this will slide out for very long sections of window, and you're going to basically just pop this in. It's got clips. And then you've got your hose that it can go into the section there, and then you've got the one that will go in the back of the unit as well, and that just slides in as well. So pretty easy to remove if you need to move the unit. Again, I'll kind of show you how that's going to all fit together here a little bit later, but easy to set up, super easy to set up here. No problems whatsoever, and when you need to store it, you can unhook this very quickly and easily from your window, and then you can store the unit, say during the winter months when you're not going to be using it. So the cool thing is it's a toolless installation, so you don't really need any tools to get this set up very quickly. Now there is a drain hose here, and there are two drain holes on this unit. One is a continuous one if you're going to be running this very constantly and you need to do that, and you also have one for the bottom pan, which I'll show you in a second. You do get a remote control with this. It takes two AAA batteries, lets you do all the functions that the top controls do, so you do get a remote control, and you do have documentation here. I suggest looking it over. It's well laid out, all written in English. At least check it out the first time you're going to be using it. Now the unit itself is 12.4 inches wide and 27.5 inches tall, and it does have wheels on the bottom. It makes it very easy, and it has a nice small profile here to be able to just store this right in the corner of the room and not take up a lot of space, or even a smaller closet. This will fit in just fine. Okay, so let's take a look at the main unit itself. You do have touch controls, and these are actual touch controls. They're not buttons. You just have to lightly touch them to activate them. You've got louvers on the front here that you can raise up, and it opens to more than a 90-degree angle, so you can kind of angle this up if you need to. So you do have that. Wheels on the bottom here. Again, 12.4 inches across and 27.5 inches tall. You do have two filters here, a top and a bottom filter. So taking off the filter is very simple. It snaps into place. It's got this very fine mesh to keep dust out, and you can easily wash this and let it air dry when you need to clean it. Now in the middle here you have a continuous drain hole. You can use that little section of tubing that I showed you to continuously drain this if you want to. If you're in a really humid environment, you can totally do that. There is also a drain hole at the bottom underneath this panel as well. You can also clean this. It's got that same fine mesh, and you can see the drain hole for the pan at the very bottom of the unit itself. Now hooking this up, obviously you're just going to want to plug it in. It's got a grounded plug here with a trip circuit on it. You can test it and reset it right from here. It'll have a green LED when it's good to go and a red one when it is tripped. And I had no problems hooking this up to my regular outlets in my house. Very simple and easy to do. No problems there at all. Now setting up the exhaust is super simple. Again, you're just going to want to make sure that you are connected on the interior here, and then you're going to want to slide this portion into the back of the unit. So once you get that slid into the back of the unit, the other end will of course go into the window portion, which again is just kind of a snap in and you're good to go. Okay, so once we're now set up here, you can see that we can either use the remote control to do any of these functions. These are a very easy touch controls here that allow you to adjust everything, and you can actually use the remote if you want to as well. You can see that we have an up and down button, a timer button, a mode button, and your speed button as well. And again, pressing these is not the object, it's more of a touch. So that is something that you may it may take getting used to. Also depends on what mode you're in as well, and this is something that I do want to reiterate, that you can switch this from 3 different modes here, from air, which I'm doing now, which will be air conditioning. It'll go as low as 61 degrees and as high as 89 degrees. And you also have a few other modes as well, such as dry, which is more dehumidifying, and then a fan only mode as well. So there are some really nice settings that you can set with this. You do have a dual fan speeds here, like a low and a high, so maybe you want to set it on low when you're sleeping or something like that. And I will now show you how this will actually cool down. Now, I don't know if you can see on there, it's very hard to see my little meter here, but it is about 72.6 degrees, and we're going to let this run. I'm going to put the probe in, let it run, and then show you exactly how much cold air or what temperatures we're getting set at 61. Okay, so now that we've given it some time, and again, I apologize, I don't know why my meter isn't showing up on the camera. We're down to 55 degrees coming out of this after letting it run for about 10 minutes. So 55 degree air, when it's set at 61, it's even lower than what it's set. My ambient temperature again was about 72.8 degrees when we started. So we are definitely pumping out some serious cold air from this unit. Okay, so what I really like about this the most is being compact. Having the wheels to move it around makes it super easy to be able to move this from place to place if you need to. And again, being the size and profile it is, makes it very easy to store. It does put out some serious cold air in the 50 degree range in my setup here. Even though it was set to 61, I was as cold as 55 degrees. So overall, that's a great showing from this Newair 8000 BTU portable air conditioner. Now this will cover at 8,000 BTUs up to 250 square feet, and it does pump out, as we said before, some serious cold air. Another thing that I do like about it are the modes that are built in. There is a dry mode here, so if you live in a humid area, then you're going to be able to use that, and it's going to be able to help a lot. The fan noise isn't too loud, especially in the lower modes, so you can sleep comfortably if you want to use this for a bedroom. And overall, just a solid air conditioner. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. Again, I'll have some links. They are affiliate links to this product that helps support the channel. So if you're looking for an air conditioner, check that out. And also check out the coupon code that I'll have listed below as well to help save you a little bit of money. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. Remember to like, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so because that always helps me out. And I'll check you guys out on the next video.